Sir William? Andito na po si Ikit.
Okay, have her in.
Salamat po. Sir William, bakit niyo po ako pinatawag?
Do you know why Matthew is the favorite of my two sons?
Dahil siya po yung panganay niyo? Mali.
Ever since he was a little boy, Matthew has done everything I've ever told him to do. That's unlike Drew, who's stubborn, insists on having his things his own way. But Matthew's dutiful. He's loyal. He's never gone against me until he met you, Ikit.
Ako? Sir, ano pong ibig niyo sabihin?
Don't play coy with me. I saw the two of you in the courtyard today. I know you are manipulating him.
Sir, walang galang lang po Never ko po minanipula si Sir Matthew. Yung pagtulong niya po sa akin tsaka sa mga kadimoy ko, kusang loob niya naman po yun
How convenient. If that's the case, and you really aren't taking advantage of Matthew, then what I'm going to ask you to do will be very easy. Leave my son alone.
Sir, pasensya na ho Hindi po ako nagtitake advantage kay Sir Matthew. Kaya bakit ko po siya kailangan iwasan? Wala naman po akong ginagawang masama sa kanya.
Actually, I think it's better if you just leave, Ikit. The investors have begun to see you as a problem for the resort. Ever since you got here, things are just going south. First, it was the kidnappings, then it was the fire, and now it's your injunction against the casino project.
Sir, yung kidnapan po, pati yung sunog na nangyari, hindi ko po ginusto talaga yun. Ako pa nga po yung napahamak Pero yung injunction, yung kaso, sir, wala po talaga akong choice kundi gawin po yun. Sir, naloko ho ako ng ka-business partner nyo dati, si Tita Rica po. Hindi lang po ako, pati po yung mga kadimoy ko. Kaya kailangan ko po silang ipaglaban kasi hirap na po sila.
Maybe this will change your mind.
$5 million po.
You always wanted to help out. You always wanted to help other people. You always wanted to help the, who are those people that tried?
Kadimoy po.
Yes. I give you that. You drop the case against the casino project, and you stay away from Matthew.
Kailangan natin ng konting push para hindi matambakan yung mga kaso mo. Tsaka para mapakinggan din yung side mo. So kung yan yung direction na gusto mong i-take, kakailanganin natin ng malaking halaga. Siguro aabot ng 1 milyon.
5 million pesos can buy a lot of joy. You can do a lot of things with that. You can fix your own problems and everybody else's.
Sorry po, Sir William. Hindi ko po matatanggap yung inalok niyo sa akin, sir.
Seriously, you're walking away from 5 million pesos? You are never going to get your hands on that kind of money again, even if you live to be 100.
Sir, pinalaki ho ako ng tatay ko na may dignidad. Tinuruan niya po ako na hindi lang po pera ang importante sa buhay. Kaya kahit empleyado niya lang ho ako dito, kahit matindi po yung pangangailangan ko, hindi ho ako masisilaw sa pera niyo.
This is your final answer. You sure? Come on, kid. Don't let your pride get in the way of this. You can have surgery for your face with this money.
Hindi, sir. Okay na ho ako. itong itsura ko. Kasi pinarealize naman po sa akin ng anak niyo ni Sir Matthew na dapat wala ho akong ikahiya sa mukha ko. Pero kung tatanggapin ko po yung perang inaalok niyo ho sa akin, sarili ko na po mismo yung ikakahiya ko dahil para ko na ho pinagbili yung pagkatao ko sa inyo.
This is your final answer? Seriously? Or maybe you're just trying to jack the price up. Okay, tell me, how much do you really want?
Sir, kahit kailan, hindi ho magiging for sale yung prinsipyo ko. Kaya kahit paulit-ulit niyo ho akong tanungin, paulit-ulit ko rin po kayong tatanggihan. Paulit-ulit din po yung isasagot ko sa inyo, no. Hindi po.
Okay, I've tried to be reasonable. I've offered you money, but you don't want to deal with this? If you are difficult with this, there will be repercussions, consequences.
Oh, ano pong ibig niyo sabihin?
Since you refuse to stop seeing Matthew, I'm going to do this my way. As of today, you no longer work at this resort. You have overstayed your welcome at my resort, and you have to leave.
Teka lang, sir. Hindi niyo naman po pwedeng gawin yan sa akin. Kasi hindi niyo po ko pwedeng tanggalin basta-basta kasi ginagawa ko naman po yung trabaho ko. At saka wala po kong binayolate na kahit anong rules niyo ho.
I own this resort, so I can decide who stays and who leaves. You are going to pack your things and leave.
Baka mas mabuti na sundin niyo na lang yung kagustuhan ni Tito William. Tuluyan mo na lang layuan si Matthew.
Kung talagang mahal mo si Ikit, ipaglalaban mo siya. Kasi ako, hindi ko hahayaan na maagrabyado ang taong importante sa akin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para kay Ikit.
Sige! Babae nga ba rin niya? Doon kayo, sa likod. Lahat!
You're not gonna get away with this!
What are you doing?